Hey, Yuta here from Oasis Plumbing. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a water heater element on an electric water heater. Alright, so go ahead and turn the power off either at the electric panel or the switch on the wall. Now we're going to start draining down the water heater and make sure to open your T&P valve at the top or a faucet to let it drain out completely. Once it's completely done, you can open up the covers, disconnect your wires. Make sure to take a photo prior to disconnecting the wires so you know the layout and you can reconnect everything the way you found it. Alright, go ahead and grab your element wrench, put it on the element. You can use a monkey wrench or a channel lock to loosen this up. Once you get it loose, you should be able to continue by hand until you unscrew it completely. As you get to the end, when you're unscrewing it, if any water's coming out, just do a quick swap and make sure that you move quickly. Take your element wrench, put it back on the element, tighten it up by hand, and then you can use your monkey wrench or channel lock again and give it a good about a half a turn. You don't want to over tighten it. Notice on your new element there's a rubber washer, and make sure that's in place when you're installing the new element. That rubber seal that's on there, that will make sure it's sealed properly. Now go ahead and start connecting your wires. Make sure to match it back up to the way you had it in your photo. Alright, you can turn the water back on now. If you do hear any hissing noise near the elements, that means that it's not sealed correctly. When the water reaches there, it's going to start leaking out. So just pay attention to that. If everything looks good and the tank is full, you can start tucking your wires back in. Make sure to open the T&P valve at the top or a faucet to let any water out and make sure all the air comes out. As soon as you get full flow at your faucet and no more air, then you could go ahead, turn the electric back on to the water heater. If you turn the electric on prior to any air being removed, and that means there's an air pocket still in the water heater, it will burn out that top element almost immediately and you're going to have to replace it. So just make sure all the air is out and turn the electric back on. If you liked the video and it helped you, please show us your support by giving this video a like, maybe subscribing to our channel as well. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.